Let us continue here. In previous video we discussed homographs and homonyms. Let's see polysemy. Polysemy or polysemia refers to multiple meanings of the same word. Poly, it is a prefix, it indicates multiple or many. Polytechnic, there are different courses under that college, that is polytechnic. There are different branches: civil, mechanical, computer, so and so forth. Polysemy or polysemia refers to multiple meanings of the same word. There is a word which is having different meaning. Spelling is same, pronunciation is same, but they having multiple meanings. Let's see this semantic phenomena. This semantic phenomenon occurs when the meaning of the word is extended metaphorically. We often perceive an object not as it is in itself, but in terms of the similarity of its shape and function with another object familiar to us. For example, the word foot means the lower extremity of leg, below an ankle, but it can also mean the base of a hill or mountain. In similar manner, we also talk about mouth of cave, hands of clock, legs of a table, or teeth of a comb. And if we look closely to all the multiple meanings of a polysemy word, we can see a connection among all of them. Many English words are polysemous. They have a primary or core meaning and other relative meanings which are metaphorical extensions of that core meaning. Polysemy is thus basically a product of metaphorical creativity. Polysemy is thus basically a product of metaphorical creativity. Look at the examples of polysemy given below. Crane. Crane means a large bird with a long neck. A large bird with a long neck. Second meaning is a machine with a long arm used for lifting heavy objects. That is a crane. That is a machine. You know better, like JCB. Third, to stretch your neck to see something. To stretch your neck to see something, that is known as crane. Word is single but having three meanings here. First meaning is a large bird, second meaning is a machine, third meaning is a stretch your neck to see something. Next one is position. That is a place. First meaning is place, location of an object or person. Second, opinion, stand on particular issue. And third one is post in a job. Position have here also three meaning. First one is job, second one is place or location, and open and stand, so and so. Next, mole, a small dark animal that digs tunnels underground to live, that is known as mole. Second one is a spy who work against enemy, espionage. Third one is a small dark brown spot on the skin. Next word is wake, the consequences of an event, especially catastrophic event. Second, the wave that spreads behind a boat as it is moves forward. A vigil held over her corpse the night before burial. Fourth one is the turbulent year left behind the flying aircraft. It is known as wake. Rage, a feeling of intense anger. Second, something that is desired intensely. And third one is an interest followed with exogenous zeal. So this is all about the polysemy. There is another point, that is difference between homonymy and polysemy. What is distinction between polysemy and homonymy? Let's see. Superficially, homonymy and polysemy may appear to be the same, but they are essentially different from each other in the following ways. The difference of perception. Perception means understanding, your comprehension. Homonyms are perceived by native speakers. This is very important, great different between homonymy and polysemy. Homonyms are perceived by native speaker as two different words, whereas in polysemy, despite the multiplicity of meanings, the polysemous words are perceived as single word. Second one is the meanings of homonyms are unrelated, as it is case of the word bank, while the multiple meanings of the polysemous words are connected because they are metaphorical extension of primary meaning. Homonyms have distinct etymological anecdotes, antecedents, that is, they are derived from different etymological sources, like polysemous words have the same etymology. Homonyms are generally given separate entries in dictionaries, whereas multiple meanings of polysemic words are given under the single entry. This is all about the distinction between polysemic and synonymy, polysemic and homonymy. So we will see another point in next video.